be actually pretty hard to really, when you freak out, if you went to one side, you went, oh,
Real quick.
you get real like,
Over.
like yeah, you get like speed bubbles on
Yeah.
and you throw yourself off it. They're good to have, right? It's like a little mini boat, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, you don't have to pay.
No licenses on that.
Nah, exactly. I was trying, but I don't think I can. It's not. That's what I was trying to do, but it won't. When you go over top of you.